One of the things the states of Georgia and South Carolina have in common is the humid and capricious weather that takes its toll on roofing systems. Just when you think your roof is in excellent condition and nothing can affect it, a hailstorm, some wind, or a small tornado proves you wrong and prompts you to look for roof repair services. Whether you live in Atlanta or Savannah, Georgia, Greenville or Charleston, South Carolina, or their surroundings, you can get qualitative, affordable, and long-lasting roof repair services. Not all types of shingles are resilient enough to withstand harsh climates like the ones in Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina. A strong wind can lift some of them up and allow the water to infiltrate underneath or displace them and cause holes in the roof. Hail often leads to cracks and punctures in some types of shingles. Excess moisture and exposure to high temperatures often result in curls and warps. If you suspect that this is the case of your roof, you should contact a roofing contractor immediately, as it could be just a matter of time for the whole roof to collapse and cause significant damage. In some cases, it may be possible to reinforce the existing framing. In other cases, more complex work may be necessary. An experienced roofing technician will carefully inspect your roof and determine the best course of action. We treasure our client satisfaction above everything else. No matter if you live in Atlanta or Savannah, Georgia, Charleston or Greenville, South Carolina, or their surroundings, you can be sure our roofing technicians will not rest until they see you happy with the results of their work and glad you chose our roof repair services. Contact us now by calling 864-990-4836 for your roof repair services, and let us give your roof the strength and the durability it needs to protect your home and peace of mind.